Let's make popcorn. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're making commercial popcorn in this video. It is super easy, very simple to make. So to make your popcorn, you'll be needing your corn, foreign corn. Okay, you need foreign corn, not the local corn that we used to make pap. No, this is how this particular corn looks. Then we also need butter. For people who are doing it for maybe you want to economize things, you may choose not to add butter to it. Then sugar, also need milk for extra taste. Then measurement spoon. This particular spoon I use to stir my popcorn. Then here is my measurement cup. Then we'll also be need flavor. This particular one is butterscotch flavor, and I have milk flavor as well. I will be combining both. You can use just one. Then you also need oil, vegetable oil. Okay, so here is just how low your gas should be. Now I'm going to set my pot on fire, and then I'm going to measure in my vegetable oil. After that, I'll go ahead and add in my butter. Then I'm going to try to melt this. I want everything dissolved before I can move on to the next step. Making popcorn is very easy. Even if you don't want to sell it, you can actually do this for your kids at home. Do it for your partner. Do it for yourself. Enjoy with your family. It's a very nice thing to try out in the house. It's very nice, and the fact that it is simple. Before the end of this video, I'll tell you guys how much I spent to make this. Okay, so guys, next I'm going to add in my milk flavor. Okay, so we're going to allow this to you're saving it, right?
Yes.
So what is milk?
No.
Okay, so what is milk? So we're going to add milk flavor. The milk flavor is what is going to get the one like this. Okay, so the milk flavor is going to change the aroma of this dish. I'll use 1 tablespoon of milk flavor. That's to change the aroma. Everybody that is passing will know that we're making popcorn here.
This smells so nice.
So I'm going to measure popcorn 1 spoon. So 1 cup of popcorn. Now we're going to add butterscotch flavor, and I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of butterscotch flavor for extra flavor. And I'm going to mix. So it's coming up. So maybe cover it. Hold this one. Come on, hold this one for me. So can you hear the sound?
Yeah.
So I'm going to explain everything to you all over so that you understand it. By the end of this video, you should be able to make popcorn for yourself. You saw what I did. First thing first, add in your oil and your butter, allow it to melt. What did I say? Allow it to melt. Next, you have to add in your flavor, and then you go on to add your corn. All right, now you're supposed to add your corn when your oil is hot. So allow your oil to be hot, and then you add in your corn. So if possible, after adding in your butter and your oil, allow it to be very hot before you add in your flavor, and then you add your corn. Do not add sugar to it except you're using a non-sticky pan. If you add sugar and you're not using a non-sticky pan, your popcorn is going to burn a whole lot, and you don't want that. So do not add sugar to it, okay? Watch what I am doing now. After adding in your corn, you're going to cover the pot and allow it to start popping. My corn has finished popping. You can see that I already have popcorn in my pot, and this is the point where I have to add sugar. It is still hot, so I'm still going to cover the pot. After mixing this thoroughly, I will cover the pot and my sugar will still melt into my popcorn. Now when the corn starts popping, do not open your pot. Leave it to pop. Now when it starts popping, you're going to hear sound. It will make sound. When that sound stops, that means your popcorn has finished popping. You can now open your pot and add in your sugar. So the last thing is what I am doing right now, which is adding milk to your popcorn. Now if you're selling this, you don't really need to mix all of the milk on your popcorn. You can just, after packaging, you have to just pour in milk on top of it. All right, pour milk on top of it, and you don't need to use this sachet milk that I'm using. If you're selling, buy measured milk, buy lactose milk. All right, lactose milk is not that expensive. These ones are a bit expensive, so go for measured milk. That one is better and affordable for you. So I bought my popcorn, like all of this corn, I bought them for 500 naira. 1 cup of corn is 500 naira. So this actually is 500 naira popcorn. So the rest of the things, like my milk, you know how much sachet milk is now. So the milk, I bought it differently. I don't know how much it is in your area. Then my flavors, I already have flavor in the house. I already had butter. You can see that it's not new butter that I used. And then I already had oil in the house. So for me, I actually spent, let's say, 1,000 naira to make this, and it's 1,000 because I bought my milk for 500 naira, and then I bought my corn for 500 naira. So guys, that is how to make popcorn. It's very, very, very simple, right? Sure, you're going to make popcorn this Sunday for your family. Let me know if you will try this.